Hi Internet friends, it's Tim Schrock at Design Build Solutions. I want to take a quick moment to show you how I'm going to wrap stone around this little accent space for this fireplace. Client wants this accent wall in their pool house, and I thought I'd take this opportunity to show you how to wrap stone. Let's get started. All right, before I get going, I've got a lot of feedback from many of you recently and even had some conversations, and I'd like to take this opportunity to ask if you like this information, would you consider donating a little bit? You can see the link below, paypal.me/designbuildsolutions, and again, show your appreciation for the information and education you get, and I would appreciate that. So I've drawn a wall, 3 walls in addition to the external wall here, and just kind of returning that this way. I've added a doorway, if you will, without casing, and just dropped in my fireplace fixture to create that. From here, I put a material region on this wall and gave it a thickness and texture with these layers like this. To wrap it around the side, I'm just going to add another material region to this wall and click on that. It wants to pick up the material region that's already there, so I'm going to scooch that over and drop that on the wall. There we go. Now it's going to do a full height, full width material region, so I can just pull this down to that height of this material region and do the same thing here, drag that material region over and add a second material region for the top piece so that this black returns. Do a material eyedropper and paint that top one. And then I'm going to do an object eyedropper. This is the tip I want to show you for the stone. I'm just going to do an object eyedropper and pick up this stone material region and paint it onto this tile lower material region. You'll notice as I've got the spray can and I hover over various things, notice down here in the status, if you will, of lower left corner of my screen, it tells me what I'm going to paint onto. Paint onto the room, paint onto the pony wall, paint onto load properties to material region. And when I do that, it picks up the thickness, the layers, the materials, and there I have a stone wrap around the edge. I'm going to just clean up this material region like so, because I don't know why it's going all the way over below the slab, but that is our tip for today. Using the object eyedropper, I'm finding so many more cases where I'm using the object eyedropper to apply new materials, whether that's material regions or walls or rooms. It's very handy. Hope that helps. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this, click like and subscribe down there, hit the notification bell. And as always, thanks for watching. Have a great week.